Yeah, good day folks, DJ Kentro, and I'm here to guide you through the Serato optimization for MacBook 2013, 2014 and 2015. I've got a couple of messages from my DJs as regard to how to optimize your MacBook to enable you to use them effectively. You just have a couple of settings that you need to change from the default setting to enable your MacBook 2013, 2014 and 2015 run effectively with stems. Okay, let's just head over to this settings menu. Firstly, at the audio menu bar, make sure your Serato is set within 10 milliseconds or 5 milliseconds. I think put it up for a try, just take 10 milliseconds, which is pretty good enough. And the next settings will be going on to the library and display settings, where you have to turn off some settings to release your system from high load. Firstly, turn off enable play count. Make sure this is turned off, and you have to turn off color key display, after which high res display should be turned off because it takes a lot of your CPU memory. Then maximum screen update per seconds, by default is at 60 seconds, so you have to bring it down to 20 seconds. This will release your resources from your MacBook, hereby making it faster for the MacBook to process your stems on the fly. Okay, I think that's all for now. You can just try out the stems. If you can see, I just loaded the song. You can try out the stems. Okay, it helps you.
You know my wife, she wanna kill her, so fuck all night.
As you can see, the stems can be separated as fast as possible, because now this is a MacBook 2015 8 gig RAM Core i5, and you can see it's running stem effectively by turning off some features on the Serato, so your system can have enough resources to process the stem. Okay, peace out. If you have any other question, you can put it on the comment section, and trust me, I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Learned about the triple cross when I was young, and I know I ain't going, so I keep a gun. I flew to Paris just to buy some Dior. She begging for attention, I don't see her. CIP pop, I wish that you can see us. Million catch plus whenever I go real. I got some niggas in the street won't beat me. I got the industry trying to beat me. I just go Ray Charles, they can't see me. I'm in a Rolls Royce with a Remy. Wrong, but I'm old. And I know I tell you once, I'll tell you twice.